All right, so welcome to another video. Providing an update on my wallet on this journey to 100K in crypto. The balance is sitting at 22,778 today. We've had another pullback in the market after what looked like a recovery yesterday, but it's just a minor pullback. We're still pretty much up from the lows and the aftermath of the bloodbath that was the announcement of the China tariffs tweeted by President Trump. But we've had a bit of a recovery in the market, and the market is still kind of holding steady. So it looks like we're going to be okay. It was a buying opportunity, when the market really dropped, and you were seeing an opportunity to buy Ethereum in the $3,000 range, and Bitcoin dropped I believe down to about 109,000, and XRP dropped to the $2.30 mark. Those are great opportunities to get back into the market at a cheaper price. And I hope you were able to take advantage of that. Wallet 2, let's see what that's saying. So Wallet 2 is currently sitting at 19,000. So, it's not too bad. It's still doing okay. No need to panic. This wallet was up to 21,000 at the peak before the crash. So we lost a couple thousand, but nothing to sweat. I remember, yesterday I was watching some of my older videos when I started this journey. I watched my first video on the road to 100K, and this wallet was sitting at about $17,000. And that was back in May of this year. And now it's at 19,000. It had a peak of 21,000. So between May and October, which is about 5 months, we went from 17,000 to 21,000. So that's an increase of about 4,000 initially before dropping back to 19. So we're still up 2,000 from where we were when we started the journey. My other wallet that I showed you earlier, this one at the peak was 25,000. But when we started this journey, this was sitting at around 19,000. So it's still up 3,000. It's been up, about 5,000 between when we started in May. 19 to 25 is about 5,000 ish, 6,000. But we're still up 3,000. So as you can see, the journey is ups and downs, and that's the point that I'm trying to make. The journey is ups and downs. Yes, the road, we're trying to get up to 100K in crypto. If you're following my other journey, I also have another series where I'm building up another account, a smaller account, and we're just contributing, sometimes $10, sometimes $20, sometimes $100, and the whole point of that is to show what you can achieve even if you don't have a lot of money. So if you're not following that series, please make sure you do. That's also on the channel. So that particular wallet has about 23,000 inside right now. 2,300 rather, 2,300 Canadian. So the whole point or the whole goal is to eventually accumulate in all three wallets 100K in crypto. And so I'm just documenting that journey. But, you will see a lot of ups and downs in the journey, but don't let that be a discouragement, because ultimately there's been progress, right? Where I am now, although I'm no longer at the peak of the market, but where I am now is better than where I was in May, right? And that's progress.